Let's start question number 3rd of exercise 7th B. Question is divide 810 by 135. We have to divide 810 by 135. But we don't know the table of 135. So how we will divide? See, what we do, we will check first number. Here it's 1 and 1 8s are 8. So try to check at 8. हम क्या करेंगे 8 पे चेक करेंगे. Okay, 5 8s are 40, 8 3s are 24 plus 4 28, 8 1s are 8 plus 2 10. But 1080 तो बड़ा हो गया ना. अब हम क्या करेंगे, अब 7 पे ट्राई कर दो एक बार. 135 7s are 5 7s are 35, 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 3 24, 7 1s are 7 plus 2 9. अब ये भी बड़ा है तो अब हम क्या करेंगे 6 पे ट्राई करेंगे. 135 6 6 5s are 30, 6 3s are 18 plus 3 21, 6 1s are 6 plus 2 8. So 135 6 810. Okay, this is first method to solve. There is one more method. Yes, second method ये है कि हम 13 को चेक करेंगे. 13 का टेबल. Okay, 13 के टेबल पर 81 कहीं आता है? नहीं आता. ठीक है, 13 6 क्या होता है 78 होता है. 13 6 78 and 13 7 91. ओके, हमारा 13 6 78 होता है और 13 7 91 होता है. बट 91 जो हमारा बड़ा हो जाएगा 81 से, तो हम क्या करेंगे 13 6 चेक करेंगे. ओके, सो 135 6 चेक करो. 135 6 5 30, 6 3 18 plus 3 20, 18 plus 3 is 21, 6 1 6 plus 2 is 8. Okay, so 135 6 810. So your quotient is 6. Okay. Next question is 607 divided by 102. So start division 102 and here will be 607. Now we have to check कि 607 102 के टेबल पे कहाँ आता है. So here is 1 and here is 6. So first of all check at 6. Okay, 6 2s are 12, 6 1s are 6. But this is greater than 607. So we will check at 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5. So 102 5s are 510. 7, 10 minus 1 is 9. So your quotient is 5 and remainder is 97. Okay, quotient is 5 and remainder is 97. Next is 960 divided by 320. We have to divide 960 by 320. So first digit is 3 और 3 के टेबल पर 9 कहाँ पे आता है ये हम चेक करेंगे. ठीक है, सो 3 3s are 9. सो हम क्या करेंगे 323 करेंगे. 3 0s are 0, 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. So 323s are 960. Okay, so your quotient is 3 and remainder is 0. Okay, let's start question number 4th of exercise 7th B. Question is divide 1375 by 125. Okay, we have to divide 1375 by 125. So the divisor is having 3 digits and dividend is having 4 digits. So what we will do, we will check the first 3 digits of the dividend. And now 137 is greater than 125. So 125 ones are 125. Okay. Now subtract these two numbers. 7 minus 5 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1 and 1 minus 1 is 0. Now bring this 5 down, and now 125 ones are 125. So our quotient is 11 and remainder is 0. Okay, quotient is 11 and remainder is 0. B bar is 1975 divided by 180. So the divisor is having 3 digits but dividend is having 4 digits. So first of all we will check first 3 digits. Okay, because divisor is having 3 digits. डिवाइजर में 3 डिजिट है तो हम डिविडेंड की फर्स्ट 3 डिजिट्स चेक करेंगे, और अगर तो वो फर्स्ट 3 डिजिट्स इक्वल है या फिर ग्रेटर है तब तो काम चल जाएगा. बट अगर हमारी जो ये फर्स्ट 3 डिजिट्स हमारे डिवाइजर से छोटी आ रही है तो हम फर्स्ट 4 डिजिट्स चेक करेंगे. ओके, इस केस में हमारा जो है ये 3 डिजिट्स जो है इससे बड़ी है, हमारे डिवाइजर से बड़ी है. सो इट्स ओके. सो 181 is 180. Okay, now subtract it. 7, 9 minus 8 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. Bring this 5 down. Now 175 is less than 180. 175 हमारा 180 से छोटा है तो हम क्या करेंगे, 180 zeros are 0. So our remainder is 175 and quotient is 10. Okay, this is B part of question number 4. Next is 8890 divided by 442. Okay, so let's start. Here it's 3-digit number and this is 4-digit number, so we will check first 3 digits. First of all, this step you have to keep in mind that if the divisor is of 3 digits, then we check the first 3 digits of the dividend. And if these 3 digits are equal or greater than this divisor, then it's okay. And if it is less than our divisor, then we check the 4 digits. So we will check 3 digits in this question. So 442, here is 4 and here is 8. So let's check at 2. 442 2s are 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8. Okay, so 442 2s are 884. Now 9 minus 4 is 5, 8 minus 8 is 0, 8 minus 8 is 0, and bring this 0 down. Now this 50 is less than 442. 50 is less than 442, so put a 0 here and 442 zeros are 0. So our quotient is 20 and remainder is 50. Okay, let's start question number 5th. Question is divide 84,436 by 418. Now our divisor is of 3 digits and dividend is of 5 digits. So first of all we will check the 3 digits of the dividend. Now 844, this is greater than 418, so it's okay, we will check the 3 digits. And if it is less than, then we check the 4 digits. Okay, here it is greater than 418, so we will check the 3 digits. Now we have to check at 844 comes at which number on the table of 418. 418 के टेबल पर 844 कहाँ आता है, अब हमें ये चेक करना है. So 4 1s are 4 and here it's 8. 4 2s are 8. So check at 2. 418 2s are 8 2s are 16. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. 4 2s are 8. Okay, now it's okay. 836. 418 2s are 836. Now subtract these two numbers. This will become 14 and this will become 3. And 14 minus 6 is 8. Okay. Now bring this 3 down. 83 is smaller than 418. 83 is smaller than 418. So 418 zeros are 0. You will put 0 here. Now this will be 83 and bring this 6 down. Now 418 2s are 836. Okay, so your quotient will be 202 and remainder 0. Okay, so this is first part of question number 5. Next is 1,11,684 divided by 908. We have to divide 1,11,684 by 908. Okay. Now first of all we will check the 3 digits of the dividend because our divisor is of 3 digits. But 111 जो है, this is less than 908. 111 is less than 908. So what we will do, we will check the 4 digits of the dividend. Okay. Now here is 9 and 9 2s are 18, that will be greater. So 908 1s are 908. Okay, 9 2s are 18 will be greater than this 11. So 908 1s are 908. Now subtract these two numbers. 16 minus 8 is 8. 0 minus 0, 0. And 11 minus 9 is 2. Okay. So now bring this 8 down. It's 20 and it's 9. So check it 2 because 9 2s are 18. 9 8 2s are 16. 9 2s are 18. Okay. So 908 2s are 1816. Now subtract these two numbers. 8 minus 6 is 2. 8 minus 1 7. 10 minus 8 is 2 and 1 minus 1 is 0. Now bring this 4 down. And 9 3s are 27. So check it 3. 908 3s are 8 3s are 24. 9 3s are 27. Okay. So 908 3s are 2724. So your quotient is 123. This is your quotient and remainder is 0.